Hello everyone, I hope your Christmas is going well today. Today we are going to be checking out the Sears store at the Great Northern Mall in North Olmstead, Ohio. This store opened in 1976 and closed in August of 2020. This was a very sentimental store to close, well, a very significant store to close, because this was the last Sears in the state of Ohio. Ever since the store closed, we've had no other Sears stores. There was also no more Kmarts. Our last Kmart closed in February. Now, the reason why I'm uploading this video is because I've been sitting on this footage for a good while now. This was filmed a little bit towards the end of the liquidation sale, and I wanted to do one last store tour on this channel, considering after this video, there's going to be no more store tours on this channel. For all the retail people that are subscribed to here, go subscribe to my other channel, link in the description, where I have been focusing a lot more on that channel compared to this one, because I do a lot of retail videos on that channel, and I put a lot of effort into the videos on that channel. So if you're all into that kind of stuff, like this video here, consider subscribing over there. Anyways, this store honestly just felt like your average Sears store. It felt like a nice 70s Sears, because it opened in 1976. But this store was clean, to say. Now, this was not where the original Sears in North Olmstead was. The original Sears in North Olmstead was in the Great Northern Plaza next door, and it opened in the 1950s. When Great Northern Mall came to be in 1976, they moved into this bigger building here in the Great Northern Mall. And ever since then, it's been in this same building. Now, Great Northern Mall seemed to have not taken a hit from this. Great Northern Mall is the most successful mall in the Cleveland area, and they are still doing well. I've been to the mall one other time since this store closed, at least at the time of this voiceover recording, and the mall seemed to still be doing very well. There were a few vacancies now by the Sears area, but the Sears just now looks like this. Literally, the signs are still up, and they just put a blue tarp over the gate. That's all they did. Now, this tour was taken around the end of July, like I said, and they were close to the end of the liquidation sale. 30 to 75% off on the sales. And funny fact for you elevator enthusiasts, I actually bought the elevator sign from this store. It is currently sitting in my room right now, and I will not be selling it, but I just figured that'd be a fun little thing to tell you guys, because at least I've preserved some history from this store. Now, we're coming up to the empty shoe department here. This store was starting to clear out a good bit on this recording. This was spare footage that I had that I never ended up uploading, so I figured I'd just put it here. There were still a little bit of shoes, but just not that many. And you can see me just browsing over here for a minute. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and shut up now. One more thing to add: the entire liquidation sale, the down escalator was broken. It's been broken ever since it reopened from the whole COVID pandemic. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and shut up now and let you guys just enjoy the rest of this footage. So, thank you for watching. And like I said, if you're all into the retail gig, go subscribe to my other channel after this video is over. Link in the description to that, where I put tons of effort into videos on that channel. Alright, thank you for watching, and have a Merry Christmas.
Alright, this is probably gonna be my final time on this elevator, so get a good last look at everything.